Hi guys, I hope you are preparing well for upcoming CSIR NET examination. Here in this video, we are going to check 11 key steps towards success in CSIR NET examination. I hope the video will be helpful for you in your success. The first key step, question type and standard of question may different from December 2019 CSIR NET examination because first time NTA taken up all the responsibilities of CSIR NET examinations. So don't get panic after reading 2 or 3 hard questions at starting of examination. So because each and every official question paper contains easy, medium and hard type of questions. So if you see a hard question, so just go to the next question. So if you get easiest question and after solving it, your confidence will increase, and that helps you to solve hard questions too. But if you get tension after watching 2 or 3 hard questions, and by just increasing tension in your mind, then you will unable to solve easiest question too, and which affect your success rate. Okay, just keep my words in your mind. When you see hard questions at starting of the examination, just move on to next questions till to look at easiest question which can be solvable by you. Okay, right. Second key step here, start answering in the order of part C, part B and part A. So this is the most important traditional way of answering CSIR NET examination. So everyone should start from part C because each question carry 4 marks, and if you give much time on part C, and you can solve many of the questions with accuracy, and which will give you that means maximum marks from it. Okay, so start from part C and then go to part B and then part A. The third key step, start answering from organic or inorganic or physical chemistry of part C, in which you have a strong command. Okay, so just start. If you have a deep knowledge on organic, then just start from organic, or if you have the best command on physical chemistry, just start doing answers from physical chemistry part, like that. Okay, so because if you feel the questions are just solvable by you, then your concentration increases to solve hard questions too. Okay, right. Fourth key step, if a question looks hard, don't waste time on it. Go for next question and just so on. Okay, in your first attempt, try to give answers of 100% known questions. Then after, repeat reading and answering the questions of 80% known questions and so on. Okay, so from part C, if you able to solve 13 to 15 questions at a first attempt, then it will increase your success rate. Okay, so in the next attempt, so just try to solve the questions which are known at least 80% of that particular problem. Okay, then you will go to at least 22 questions from part C. That means you can solve 22 questions, and if you do that, so you will get I can say you will get nearly 90 to 100 marks. Okay, that means by just combining part B and part A also. Yeah, your fifth key step, just remember that most of wrong answers will come from organic, followed by inorganic, and the least negative marks come from physical chemistry. So here I can say most 90% of aspirants will do the most number of questions from organic part only, because so each and every question just looks like very familiar to the aspirants. Okay, so at least any part of the question will be familiar to aspirant. That's why so it encourages aspirants to attempt that particular question to take the answer. But so here most of the logical options will be seen in organic section, and so most negative marking comes from that organic part. Okay, and next one inorganic, because in inorganic we can see different types of questions. That means we can see some related questions, options will be related. Okay, so we need to choose a proper combination of options in inorganic chemistry. So in that case we need to take a careful observation of each and every sentence which is given in that particular inorganic problem. Okay, and here, as I said, least negative marking will come from physical chemistry, because here I can say more than 90% of aspirants don't dare to answer physical chemistry questions without knowing 100% concept on it to give answers. Because so if the question is unrelated to the particular aspirant, he never attempt that particular physical chemistry question. That's why the least negative marking coming from that physical chemistry part, because only known questions can be solved and accurate answers will be given for those physical chemistry problems. Okay, so here I can say, if you are a mathematical background aspirants, and if you have the basic command, fundamental command on physical chemistry, so if you solve at least 8 to that means simply say 5 to 10 questions of physical chemistry part, they will give you huge success rate in CSIR NET examination. Next key step here, most of inorganic questions of part C will be analytical way and test your analytical ability and knowledge, and here they need deep knowledge of particular concept. So think twice and look at different options closely while answering inorganic questions of part C. So here, seventh key step, most of part B questions test your memory power, because so many direct questions can be seen in part B. Eighth key step here, so many aspirants can easily score more than 50 marks from part C, but can't score more than 20 marks from part B. So did you if you see, or if you just ask that means aspirants who are attempted CSIR examinations, so you can see or you can hear that they will get easily 40, 50 marks or 60 marks from part C, but so many of them didn't get at least 20 marks from part B, because we can see from part B so many questions are memory based questions, direct questions can be given. Okay, so that's why here it is important to look at formulas, and that means formulas, concepts, okay, so to get more marks from part B. So if one get at least 40 to 50 at least 40 to 50 marks from part B, so one can easily score more than 100 marks in CSIR NET examination, and which will give 99% chances to get JRF net. So that's why keep an eye on direct memory based questions from organic, inorganic and physical chemistry of part B of CSIR NET examinations. Ninth key step here, just give last 40 or 30 minutes for part A, because the questions always consume lot of time while solving part A questions. Okay, because you can see logical thinking is needed. Okay, so logical ability should be there. That's why here each and every question takes lots of time to solve them. That's why just give last 40 or 30 minutes for part A if you are mathematical background aspirant. Okay, so here we can say at least 2 or 3 questions will be easiest. That means within seconds you can solve at least 2 or 3 questions. Just check for them at first attempt of looking first attempt of the part A questions. Okay, right. So one can clear CSIR without touching part A too. So it is proved in many cases, and so many aspirants got more than 100 marks by just solving questions from part C and part B without touching part A. So if you are from non-mathematical background, so better to leave part A and just focus more on part C and part B, and just give last 20 or 30 minutes to read part A questions, to search for easiest least 2 or 3 questions, okay, to gain at least 4 to 6 marks, or at least 6 to 10 marks from it, okay, right. And here, 10th key step here, so many aspirants experience online exam as a first experience, because so from December 2019 onwards, we can see the exam will be online. So be careful, because many errors you may do in the examination, okay, right. And 11th key step here, the final chemmasters.online suggestion is that success depends on how you perform in the examination hall. So here the performance depends on your concentration in the examination hall, and how you just reducing your tension, and how you are utilizing the time. So the performance will give you the final touch in your success rate. So all the very best chemmastrians and my YouTube followers, hoping your success reviews. Thank you very much.